First of all, good afternoon and welcome to our COALA Industrial Workshop number 4. Thanks for being with us for the next hour and a half. I am Paolo Perillo from Olonix and I am part of the COALA consortium. Today we have a very special edition and which is centered around the title that you see, Lesson Learned and Ethical Considerations from Implementing Intelligent Cognitive Assistance in Manufacturing Use Case. Nowadays, the debate around ethics in AI is hot. We are not entering into the debate. We are instead going to provide our findings from the COALA project after real cases in manufacturing with the 2 special guests and valued members of the COALA research team. Okay, let me give a quick overview of the agenda before telling you how we are going to manage the session. We have, after my introduction, there is an overview of the COALA Assistant project by Evangelos Niforatos. There is then an application of explainable AI and ethical principle by Nicholas Asher from Humanity, Toulouse. And then back to Evangelos, there will be a demo for the on-job training for textile worker application of the cognitive assistant. And then, if we are on time, around 3 o'clock, we have open discussion on challenges, opportunities, question and answer. So let me say a couple of words on how the session is managed. This workshop will be recorded and made available on the COALA website. Question and answer are very welcome, so please use the chat. We'll go through the questions at the end of the speeches. And the survey, most importantly, please provide your feedback at any time. Your feedbacks are very important for us. The link is, if you go on the top bar of the Teams, there is an icon which is a survey or Umfragen, depending on the language your Teams is set on. You just click on it and there are 15 questions, very to the point, so very quick. Your feedback is very important for us. Please do it. Okay, let me just hand over to Evangelos. I'm skipping the presentation of Ivan and Nicholas. They will introduce by themselves, saying a few words about them. So having said that, I'm handing over to Evan.